How would you like this view from your balcony? Welcome to the tour of Central Park View balcony cabins on Harmony of the Seas. Recently had a refit Harmony of the Seas, had its amplification, been in dry dock for 6 weeks, so is there any changes? Pretty decent cabin size of 182 square feet, balconies 52 square feet, there's around 130 of them on Harmony of the Seas. These are the Central Park View balconies and we stayed in 10, 2, 3, 3. Let's take a look around. Into the bathroom, the main tick for myself is you do get a glass door, not those shower curtains. Pretty decent space in here, and you have Royal Caribbean's own Salt and Breeze shower gel. Into the main part of the cabin, you have 2 cupboards either side of the couch. This one is for your long dresses, your trousers, etc. A great space. And the other side, you also have room for your jackets and shelving for all your other clothes. And included is this safe, which is a pretty good space. You wouldn't probably get a computer in here, but you could probably get an iPad, jewellery, and other small items. So in the refit, there wasn't too much differences to the cabins on board. The main thing is if the cabin needed new carpet, new furnishing, this was dealt with, but the actual layout of the cabins, there wasn't too much changes. If you can spot any changes, please do let us know in the comments down below. Lots of drawer space here, as you see, 3 drawers on one side, another drawer on the other side, and a good size fridge. I normally do my room tours when I first get in, but we didn't have a chance, so unfortunately we had to do it towards the end of the cruise, and my daughter loves to fill up the whole desk and have a complete mess. Do you have anybody in your family that does the same? 2 USBs, 3 American sockets here, and 1 European. These are your TV channels that you can get when you're on a Royal Caribbean ship in Europe. Pause the video if you'd like to take a closer look, but you have a good variety of channels. Really impressed with the beds on Royal Caribbean, and this bed was no different. This one was right next door to the balcony. What do you prefer? Couch next to the balcony or bed next to the balcony? I think I do prefer this. For good size, this room was for 2 only, but there is other cabins if you would like a 3rd or 4th person. 1 more socket, that is right by the bed, and that is it. So you have 1 by the bed, an American socket. You have the 3 across on the desk, 2 USB, and the European. As mentioned before, I have a good size balcony looking out on that view. So what do you think? Would you like the fact that you're overlooking all of those balconies across the way? For me, I think at the price point that it is cheaper than an ocean view, if you just want to get some fresh air, I think it is great. But it is not for everybody. Not everybody wants to be looked over. But I do love Central Park. It's got such a great vibe, and you can take a look across it. Did you spot any changes? If you did, please do let us know down below in the comments. What do you think of one of these balconies? If you have any questions, once again, let us know and give this video a nice like so more get to see it. On the screen right now is a full ship tour of Harmony of the Seas straight after its amplification in 2026.